Hi there, I'm Jeanette Lane, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing the latest Tonic Studios card making collection kit, which is number 7. Now what I love about these kits is that they're always jam-packed with crafting goodies and discounts, so there's so much to get to. So let's open this up. And also a good thing about this kit is that it's perfect for any last minute Christmas makes. So lots of good ideas. So let's open this up. Let's take a closer look at everything. So I'm going to spread this all out on the table. So here's everything that's included in the kit. We have our 68-page ideas magazine, some papers and toppers, which I will flip through in just a bit, a die set, a stamp set, and an embossing folder. First up, we have this 6-in-1 die set, which is so versatile and features a focal sentiment as well as 4 different corner detail patterns. So the possibilities are truly endless for what you can make. Then we have this A6 embossing folder, and this design coordinates perfectly with the die set. And what I really love is that you can color those raised areas for an extra pop or add a topper to the aperture for an impressive quick make. And then we have our 10-piece stamp set with some gorgeous designs plus some sentiments, and our sentiments include thank you, winter wishes, happy birthday, shine, and reach for the stars. Next up, we have the papers and toppers, and there are 148 elements that are perfect for cards for all occasions. And also I wanted to mention that the star toppers can be cut out using the die in the kit. Now let's take a peek inside the 68-page Ideas magazine, where you're going to find 81 stunning designs to try, including how to add dimension to your makes, cards for men, last-minute Christmas designs, off-the-page gift ideas, congratulations and friendship cards, a heat embossing tutorial, your chance to win a share of 500 pounds worth of Tonic Studio prizes, and so much more. There's so much included in this kit, and it was so fun to play with. I've had to play with it, and I made an exploding box card. Now there is a full tutorial for this on the CraftStash YouTube channel, so you can check that out and see how I made this really easy exploding box card. You can get your Tonic Studios card making collection kit number 7 at CraftStash and more mags. I'm Jeanette. Thank you so very much for watching, and I'll see you real soon.